good. From the streets, you know what I'm saying? It's nothing.
Hey, Roman, you freaking out, ain't you?
No.
Yeah, you are.
I said no.
Listen, man, it takes a grown man to embrace his feelings. If you need to cry, just go ahead and cry. As your friend, you know I'm concerned about your well-being, which is why I took the precaution of putting some adult diapers in your glove compartment.
Yo, can you just chill out, man?
I have seen some crazy shit, Dom, but this really could make some waves. So let's just try to keep it as low-key as possible, huh?
Don't I always?
I'll tell you what, you knock it down a couple of notches this time, and I'll swap out my Belgian for a keg of Corona.
You'd be doing yourself a favor there.
Can somebody just walk me through what we supposed to be doing?
Come on, Rome, this is your plan. You gotta embrace it.
No, this was not my plan.
Oh, yeah, here we go. Game time.
Roman, you need some fresh air? Because you about to get a whole lot of it.
Okay, here we go.
Just when you didn't think it could get any better, huh? Now we're moving. Hey, everybody good? Everybody make it out?
Listen, tell them that this is not for you. This is not your mission.
Hey, Rome! Hey, what's up, man? Talk to me. Come on.
I can't do it.
The hell you can't! Come on, man. You throw that thing in reverse and get your ass out here now.
Look, I can't do it, okay? Listen to what I'm saying.
Now isn't the time.
I'ma stay up here with the pilot. We gonna circle around and make sure we holding it down from up here.
You're running out of time. The shoot is guided by GPS. You don't have to do anything.
Yes!
I'm already on it.
Hey, man, listen. I'm sorry to let y'all down, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and stay up here.
No, brother. I'm sorry to let you down.
What?
What do you mean you sorry?
What are you doing? I hate you, Dad! You ready? Ground's coming fast!
Come on, baby. Touchdown, baby!
Car check. Call it in.
Check.
Check. I'm good. Let's do this.
Hello? Please, man. Get me out of here. Somebody. No, the trees.
Ah, shit. Sit tight, Roman. We'll come back for you.
This is not the plan.